This channel makes over $771 every single month, and every video is about mini house construction. These videos are absolutely exploding on YouTube right now, pulling in millions of views. And the best part? You can create videos just like these using AI. First, we're going to open the master prompt. If you need the link, you'll find it in the pinned comment below. Now, copy the entire master prompt and let's jump over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt right here and let the magic happen. Within just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 different video ideas. All we have to do is choose one, and I'm going with idea number 2. I'll simply type the number 2, hit send, and that's it. Once it's finished, ChatGPT will instantly generate 2 complete scenes for us. Now it's time for the real action. First, copy the image prompt and head over to the Google Flow website. Click New Project, wait for the page to load, then choose Image and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Select X1 and choose the Nano Banana 2 model. Next, paste the prompt into the box and click Send. Within moments, your image will be generated and ready to use. Once the image is ready, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Then return to the Flow website, click here, and choose Video, followed by Frames. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, the speed to X1, and choose the Omni Flash model with an 8-second duration. Now click on the image we just generated, select Animate, paste the prompt, and hit Send. In just a few moments, your first animation will be complete. After the first video finishes rendering, go to the very last frame and click Save Frame. Now head back to ChatGPT, copy video prompt number 2, return to Flow, click on the last saved frame, choose Animate, paste the prompt, and click Send. And just like that, you've created your next scene with a perfectly smooth transition. Now, the secret behind these viral mini house construction videos is yours. I can't wait to see what you create. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.